Happy day 1 of March. This is Women's History Month, as you know, and I wanted to spotlight at least one amazing thought leader and change agent each week. But while doing my research, I started seeing a trend that in actuality has been in our history all along, but I'm seeing it emerge even more in our current culture. So what is this trend that I'm seeing? I'm seeing that age is just a number, and your age, it doesn't determine your impact and your voice. So for me, this month, my focus will be on little women, young ladies who haven't even reached what society deems as womanhood, or, some haven't even come out of puberty yet before they are making an impact on their society. Some of them you might remember. They're young ladies from our past, like Anne Frank, who thought through the writing of her diary recorded a dark era of human history, and Ruby Bridges, who walked courageously as the first Black student to attend William Frantz Elementary School in New Orleans, and Claudette Colvin, who stood up against segregation in Alabama by refusing to give up her seat on the bus in Montgomery 9 months before Rosa Parks. The thing is, these young ladies did not let naysayers or the status quo or their age stop them when pursuing the thing that meant the most to them. It wasn't just for themselves, but for the advancement and the betterment of others. They saw the wrong, the injustice, and they sought for a solution to change it. Not waiting for someone else to do it, but digging deep within themselves and finding a way to be heard, a way to be an active element of that change. So this week, I'd also like to address another change that we can make in our lives that will impact and improve not only our lives, but the lives of others, not just for today, but for years to come. It took me having a hard conversation with my doctor to help me make the long-term commitment to adopt a mind shift and manage my cravings. It was looking into the future and realizing what was really important to me. Things like long walks, being able to teach my grandkids the joy and the fun of playing Twisters. You remember that game, right? Twister? And to be able to wrestle with my 6'2", 15-year-old grandson. Yeah, wrestle. Part of mastering your Monday and mastering our lives is how we take care of this vessel we reside in. But in times of stress and uncertainties, like we're experiencing right now with this pandemic and other social issues, well, most of us, we have a tendency to reach for the comfort foods, the things that make us feel better and give us some form of nostalgic comfort. Those things that are really high in fat and carbs and sugar, things like chocolate, French fries, fried chicken, ice cream, cookies, cakes. And let's not forget macaroni and cheese. Do I have your attention? Are you drooling at, and at least can you feel my pain? What does your future look like? What body are you carrying around, and how is it serving you? What things are you destined to accomplish? But without making some changes, it may not be fulfilled. Well, this week on Mastering Your Monday podcast, I'll be discussing, is healthy comfort food even a possibility? Go ahead, click on the link in the comments and have a listen. And don't forget to subscribe. Well, until next time, take care.